Today I'm trying out a bambo Q soup. It's supposed to be the spiciest soup in Vietnam. So let's see if we can handle some spice. I'm walking down Vu Vinh walking street. It's a little bit on the not so busy side on Monday morning. But still busy for sure. Around here somewhere. Okay, it's over here actually. Bambo Hue. I smell it. Around here somewhere. It's across the street. So we gotta cross the street. Let's go. Vietnam style. There it is, Bambo Hue. You can sit out here, inside here. Hello. Sit here. Can we sit here? Okay. Let's see. We got Bambo Hue. Bambo Hue, regular size, special size.
The feet from Huế.
This is from Hue?
Yeah, from Huế province.
Okay.
Yes, and noodle soup.
Okay.
Quảng Nam, Quảng Ngãi province.
Okay.
Yes.
This is very popular,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Small, big, and bigger.
Small, big, and bigger?
Yes.
Okay.
Insert the pork legs, skis, pork meat, and beef, and
Okay.
crab patty, and pork patty.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
One here.
This is medium?
No, medium, big, and bigger. Medium for
Okay.
children.
Medium, big, and bigger.
Yes.
This is good size.
Yes.
Yeah, let's do this size.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can eat pork leg.
Yeah.
Yes.
Or like, yeah.
You can eat onion and garlic.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect.
Yes. You want here?
All right, let's dig in. So this is pork. This must be crab or tofu. And I think this is beef. Okay, this is a crab. This is the beef. Actually, let's add some of this. We're adding some sprouts and lettuce. Some leaves. We got some lemon. More lemon. Some pepper. Let's taste the soup. Oh yeah, that's spicy. That is pretty spicy. Ooh. all the produce.
Excuse me, you want fork?
Yeah.
Yes, it is something you can. Yes.
Okay. I think this is chili.
I don't know. Yes.
Chili? Yeah.
I don't know. Should you put in this?
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay.
Yes. You can eat spicy.
This is spicy.
Yes,
Yeah.
spicy.
Oh, okay,
Little.
okay.
Yes,
Little bit.
you can eat little.
A little bit.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know.
And the sauce.
Yeah.
Yes.
Put
Sauce.
this?
Yes.
Okay.
You can eat sauce and with the chili sauce. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, so it's very spicy, apparently.
Yes, toss my here with
Thank you.
sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can taste. You can taste. You can taste.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Put a little bit.
Yes.
Okay. This?
Yes. Yeah.
Let's try out some of this beef here. Oh yeah, so good. So good. The taste is soft, it just falls apart in your mouth. This noodle's kind of slippery. Spicy, lemony, zesty. Let's eat some of this crab meat. Oh yeah. So far, this is my favorite, I think. Favorite soup here in Vietnam. Ooh, that is spicy. I don't think I've tried this out. I'm not sure what this is. Sorry. We're gonna dip it in a little spicy sauce here. It's good. Yeah. So you mix these two and then mix for a unique soury taste. Let's do that again. Perfect.
Để xe đến nhắc cho chị. Để đi.
Yeah, this is the pork. That was the pork. So delicious. Let's add some more herbs here. chicken broth is so good. Let's try some coffee. So this is how we are looking, guys. More living. So you see the chili here in the soup. You bite into it, and it's spicy. And if it's too spicy, drink some soup. But the broth is already spicy as it is. Let's try some more of this pork here. That is amazing. Oh my god. All the spices in here with all the spices with the chili and the herbs, the mixture of your protein. This is the perfect dish, guys. Just finished eating at that Nam Yao restaurant. It was so delicious. Definitely give it a try if you're here in District 1 in Vietnam or in any other place. Just you'll have to try that dish for sure. It's spicy, delicious, it's savory, flavory, and good. You definitely must try it. But I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. It was just a food video for today. If you have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments, and make sure and give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.